Well, we made some progress here. We got the blades freed up. Luckily we flipped the deck over here, and we were able to work them back and forth. Sprayed them with some WD-40 and kind of broke free the rust that was inside of them, I guess. Didn't have to take the spindles off, but now that we have them off, you can see if you did have to replace one, if it was bent or something, they make these where they have 3 mounting ears, and then some of them have 4, but you access them from the bottom. What you end up having to do, because it's trapped on the deck, is you have to take the pulley off. So you have to get that off somehow, or take the blade off, which usually the blade coming off is the easier option, but you would just take this plastic guard off, and then I'll flip the deck over and show you. But they have this is actually a brake that's on the deck, so that when you shut the blades off, the blades will stop spinning quicker. That's actuated all with the PTO lever to turn them off and on. So that's on a separate spring and pulley, which will be reconnected in there. But our belt looks halfway decent here. That this is not the drive belt, they would call it. This is actually the deck belt. So this belt here will go over this pulley and over this pulley, and then all it does is just drive the blades. So if we flip this up,